So we all have something to share, whether it's your knowledge and experience or your mistakes from others to learn from. So this is why I am making this video, to encourage others to start a gardening YouTube channel or social media blog. So I'm going to be giving you 4 reasons in this video on why someone should start a gardening YouTube channel or social media blog. So please share this with a friend, gardening friend or whatever, so you can encourage those to share their knowledge and expertise, or even, you know, their mistakes on the internet, so others can learn from, and they can also learn from others as well, if you know what I mean. So the first reason is that it keeps you motivated to, you know, get on with your gardening. As I find, you know, if I've got a video on everything to look, you know, at least something decent, so, you know, it motivates me to, you know, get on and get the work done ready for the video, and it keeps you gardening because, you know, your little community that you'll have will keep on motivating you, just like mine. You know, all the nice comments and that, you know, it just makes you want to carry on making videos and keep making videos. Like I said, keeps making you want to get everything looking nice and going well, you know, for good presentation of your videos. So that brings us on to the second reason, which is the feedback that you'll get from the community, and, you know, the feedback that you can give to others as they ask you questions on how this might have worked out for you before, or whatever, or, you know, what you're going to do in the future to improve on next time, so you can help others and others can help you. So that's probably one of the biggest reasons why you should set this up. So being part of a community is the next reason, as yet again this can motivate you and you can give and receive feedback, you know, which can help you progress. And being part of a community makes you feel part of something, and being part of a group is just better in anything really, as, you know, you can share and show others your mistakes and failures and also your successes to, you know, help inspire others as well. So I know I've gone on about this quite a bit, but the other main point is spreading your knowledge. You know, whether it's new knowledge, like you've made a mistake, you've sown something too early, or, you know, you've like with my apple grafts in the last video, the first time grafting we didn't top them, so, you know, one of the grafts blew out. And yeah, it's sharing those mistakes to help others, and those others can give you feedback if they've already done it or they've got ideas, etc. So yeah, sharing your knowledge is good, whether it's, you know, something in that you're really good at and you've done hundreds of times, or whether it's your first experience and you've just learned something new and you want to share it. So yeah, it's all about sharing. So yeah, send this to a friend, like I said, so you can encourage those to start a gardening YouTube channel. And if you have any other reasons, please leave them down below in the comments. So I'm going to be live on Sunday the 28th of July at 5 p.m. UK time, so the same time this video goes out on Sunday the 28th of July 2019. So it's going to be quite a important channel update live stream. So if you miss it or whatever, please feel free to go and watch it back once we've done the live stream, as it's, you know, quite an important channel update. We'll also be doing just a general live chat as well, like we normally do, and I'll put some other times up here, American times and other stuff, so you know what time the live stream will be approximately. But yeah, it's just going to be at the same time that this video goes up on the Sunday. So I hope this inspired you or helped you inspire others to start a social media gardening blog or YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope this helped, and if so, remember to leave a like on the video and press subscribe with notifications on, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure the little bell icon, it says all. When you click on the bell, it's got some options: none, you know, preferred, or something like that, and all. Make sure you click all if you want all notifications from every time I upload. So yeah, please feel free to subscribe, as we're still pushing for 1,000 subscribers, so I can unlock that community tab so I can share more updates with you. And apart from that, click up here to watch my latest video, and just click below it to watch the grafting update video that we did the other day. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped, and I wish to see you on the next one. So bye bye everybody.